Hi guys, I am Hitesh and today I am here with this topic which is Storm. It is completely powerful product guys. That's why I'm coming with this. And what it will do blogging plus Pinterest is equal to cash. Okay, I repeat blogging plus Pinterest is equal to cash. You can replace this word by your e-commerce platform, e-commerce store, your affiliate websites, your landing page, CPA offers, whatever, but you will get traffic from Pinterest. Obviously, you will get cash. How you will get it, we will tell you. Okay, this is complete inside area. We will discuss. Not even we will discuss. We will use all these features in front of you so that you will know this is going to fit for you or not. This is my Pinterest account. Even I'm not active on this Pinterest. Why I'm showing you the power of Pinterest? This is a too much powerful and strongest platform, guys, because always you will get traffic from tier 1 countries. I'm inactive guys, still this is my results. You can see I'm inactive from long. Okay, even this is the power of Pinterest you will get, and always you will get organic traffic. Okay, organic traffic, not even paid traffic. So just because of organic traffic you will get targeted traffic. Okay, see, type organic traffic. All traffic are organic traffic. In paid advertising you will get some junk links, junk leads, but in organic traffic you will not get. Always you will get targeted traffic. So this Pinterest is why so much powerful, because Pinterest have its own search engine, not like other social media. It is social media, but it have own search engine just like Google. Okay, so the algorithm of Pinterest is too much different, and just because of this you will start getting traffic some Pinterest. And how Pinterest is powerful, I will show you. This is, you can see my impression. Okay, this is my engagement, total audience 11,000 audience guys. Okay, engaged audience, and how many clicks I'm getting. Okay, so let me show you. This is for 90 days. Let me show you custom. This is let me July, June, May, March, January. Okay, where it is. Oh, let me show you from 1st January. Okay, 1/1/21, and now till now you can see guys. Now let me show you. See, 74,000 impression guys, 74,000. This is organic. Okay, you don't even need to spend single penny on advertising. Okay, see the engagement guys, total audience, you can see audience. And now this is time to show you clicks. I put my one link. Okay, not in all pins. I'm talking about pins, not post. Okay, because in Pinterest you will put pins. So let me show you. From some pins I got how many clicks. I will show you. I'm going to show you my OLSP account so that you will know the complete thing. Okay, this is my OLSP account, and just because of this, actually why I'm showing you this, because you will know I'm getting some clicks or not. And just because of this you will start getting some trust. Okay, you will going to get some clicks or not in future for your offers, for your websites, for your e-commerce store, whatever. Okay, so just let me show you. It will take only 1 minute. Just log in. So I'm here inside. Okay, I'm here inside, and guys, see, this is my 57 unique clicks. Okay, not returning clicks, unique clicks I'm getting. You will tell, oh, it is only 57, but guys, I didn't put my link in all pins. I put my link in some pins only, guys. Okay, just that is why, just because of that, I got 57 unique clicks. If I will be active on Pinterest, I can increase this number. Okay, easily. It's too much easy. If it is easy for me, it will be easy for you too. Okay, so this is inside area. We will discuss each and everything. 17 shoulder on shoulder training videos you are going to get. See, this all training you are going to get. Inside this you will get each and every steps how to follow and how to do this all things. Okay, so I'm not going much deeper with this. I will tell you one more special bonus directly in this video so that you will get some 10x and 100x growth in your traffic. Okay, obviously if you will get growth in traffic, you will get some results easily. You will get growth in your results. So this is blog builder. I'm going to inside this. I already made this blog, but right now I'm going to creating one more blog in front of you. So building blog, it will take some time. Till then, I'm going to show you this my analytics. Okay, this is my analytics. And guys, do you want to see the power of Pinterest? Okay, how much people are charging just for this organic growth? Do you want to see? If you don't believe, come here and see. This is Traffic Transformation Bootcamp by, I'm not getting the name of that person, but I know this because this is too much famous course. Okay, Traffic Transformation Bootcamp. If you don't believe me, go to the Google, type this word, you will see. So what is this? This product is going to provide you master my organic traffic method that drives 1,000+ daily targeted visitors. Guys, this is taking time. Okay, it will take time a little bit. That is why I'm showing you. Okay, so let it be finished. Till then, I'm going to show you this. Okay, so what you are going to get? Organic traffic. Okay, drives thousands plus daily targeted visitors to website, blogs, funnels, e-commerce stores, landing pages, whatever, guys, whatever. Okay, this is completely all these things. Okay, you will know about the tailwind. Okay, I will show you what is the tailwind. This is particularly for Pinterest only. Just because of tailwind, you will increase your traffic by 10x, 100x in growth. Okay, so do you want to see the power of Pinterest? Okay, how much this guy is charging just because of providing these things, this traffic transformation bootcamp? Want to see? Okay, let me show you. If you don't believe, see, guys, can you see the price? $1,000 you have to pay just for getting this powerful course. Okay, 14 days money back guarantee. If you want to go ahead, you can go. This is the website, Traffic Transformation Bootcamp. Okay, let me show you. This is Traffic Transformation Bootcamp. I will not get even $1 from this. I'm just showing you the power of Pinterest, because someone is charging $1,000 just for getting traffic from Pinterest. Just because of that, you can imagine the power of Pinterest. Okay, so this is the product which is where you have to pay $999. Okay, and now this is the another side of our Storm. This is the product, guys, Storm. Now I'm going to show the power of Storm with using Pinterest and blogging. You can replace blogging anything. You can replace your blogging with anything. Okay, offers, websites, CPA offers, landing page, whatever. So where is my, okay, it is done, and this is my fashion. Okay, so I'm just going to log in. Okay, actually I have already WordPress website and I'm already running blog websites, so it will not connect with that because it will be mess up with that, but you will see the complete good appearance website. You don't need hosting, you don't need domain name. Okay, you don't need anything. You will directly go, okay, actually I didn't connected my website right now with this account. Okay, you have to connect. Okay, how you will connect, let me show you. From here you will connect, but no worry. Okay, I'm just showing you a demo. Okay, I already have a website, guys. Okay, remember on my focus on my words. That is why I'm not able to log in. Okay, I will show you my different websites. See, this is my WordPress website, and I'm already running blog website. That is why I'm not able to log in by using this website. Okay, let it be download so that you will see. Okay, if you don't believe, see my post. Okay, I'm going to show you my post so that you will know I'm really running or not. Okay, and that is why I'm not able to log in Storm. See, these are my blogs. Okay, in my own language also, in my English language also, and some pages I'm also going to show you so that you will get to know I'm really doing this or not. Okay, so I think it's open. See, page, see total number of page, you can see 70 page I already published. Okay, guys, so I'm going to log out this because this is not our topic, so I'm not able to log in this. But when you log in your WordPress from fresh, okay, it will automatically create your blog, okay, with good theme. Okay, I'm adding video on my page. You can just click below through the link and you can see how your website will look like. I'm repeating, you don't need blog, you don't need hosting, you don't need domain name. Okay, and I'm just coming here right now. Okay, related to your niche, you have to create, you have to build blog related to your niche, in which niche you are interested. Okay, So I'm coming on the next feature so that we will see what is coming in front of us. Okay, guys, so this is Pin Engine. You can integrate your account. This is my Pinterest. Okay. This is my Pinterest. I didn't integrate it right now, but before that, I'm going to create campaign. Okay. Just for example, luxury items. Okay. Okay, leave it. Let me create from fresh fashion items. Okay. Submitting created campaign. Okay, search pins. After creating campaign, if I am searching for any pin, okay, this pin automatically bind up with that account or with that campaign which I created right now. So for fashion clothes, okay, for example, fashion clothes. So let's see. This is refining. Okay. So guys, I already told you the power of Pinterest. I already show you how much this guy, the name of this website is Traffic Transformation Bootcamp. You can go outside and you can cross check. This guy is charging $999, $997. Okay. Just for the powerful, this is just for the organic traffic from Pinterest. Okay. So you will already you know the power of, actually I'm not even active on my Pinterest and even you can see the result, guys. Okay, this is the power of Pinterest. No. Let it load, guys. Give me time, guys. Okay, it's done. So you can see fashion clothes. So I'm going to choose, okay, I'm going to this one. Okay. Actually, this is taking too much time. Okay, so you need to keep some patience. Okay, and just because of that, you will know. I already logged in my Pinterest account. You can see here, this is my Pinterest account. I'm already logged in. You can see my pic here. Okay, and same pic here is coming. Okay, so it will connect automatically. Actually, I have any type of the bot related to this. So you can see my pic. Okay, so it's connected. Okay, I'm connected my Pinterest account with this, and what I can do, I can just post from inside. I can schedule this. I can play around with this. Let me show you how to do that. So you can sort by results, most saves, most repins. Okay, so that you will know the power of this. Okay, so for example, I'm doing next how to pick actually. Okay, try to going to next. I think it taken one out of them. Okay, so actually in inside training, you will get each and everything. Okay, don't worry about that. I'm just trying to show you each and everything and the power of this. Okay, so this is size. Okay, I'm going to create. Actually, what is this? This is you can play around with your pin, with your photography, with your photo images like this. You can create post, you can go back and all these things. Okay, it will take from there, it will take from there campaign info. I didn't uploaded any image, so fashion items and all, let me upload, for example, just for showing you. This Ferrari I'm going to take. You can just schedule it. Okay, even for scheduling you have to pay, guys. Go outside and you can check. Okay, for Hootsuite, for Publer you have to pay. Okay, you are already getting scheduling of your post, so that you don't need to log in day by day. Okay, just at the weekend just log in, post your, actually schedule your all post according to your wish, and just your this storm will work for you. Okay, so I'm done. So I'm just going to create campaign. Okay, I uploaded one social media. Select, please make sure that at least one social media selected. Okay, where it is, where it is. There is no option for social media. Any option here? This is blank. It may be here or where. Okay, take it. Let me give me some time, guys. Actually, I don't have any pick here so that I can show you just playing around with this options and all. Close, I already searched about this. Most save, I filtered from here. And right now, zero things inside this. For example, this is outbound click, guys. I clicked on that and I'm redirecting on the website of this pin. Okay, guys, let me log out this account so that I will show you. Okay, exactly. So I think, guys, I didn't integrated my account. That is why it is not taking. So let me try this one. I created campaign like fashion and all. So this is Pinterest account. Just import. So just see what will happen. I'm just importing, guys. Okay, that's how you have to do same things. So, okay, I'm giving access just for showing you. Okay, later I will remove this one because I need to remove this one because I will add my other account. That is why. Okay, okay, guys, try to understand. Guys, I added one social media. You can see here. Okay, so this is my Pinterest account. Now, pin engine, social engine. Okay, we'll see. We will see what will happen and all. I already created one my fashion too. Okay, guys, let me create one more. Okay, just for showing you. This time I'm giving the name copy. Okay, or let's see what will happen now. Search about the integrated account. Okay, after creating campaign, you will automatically redirect on this page. So I'm searching for docs. Give it time, guys. I already shown you the power of Pinterest. I logged out my Pinterest account, guys. Okay, I just wanted to show you my analytics so that you will know the power. For example, inspiration. I'm going to add this into the inspiration. I added this to inspiration list successfully. So, okay, we will go to the next and we'll see what we can do later. Inspiration, here it is. Okay, so let me see if there is something inside. Okay, create this one, guys. Why I'm not able to play around with this? Search image and all. Okay, search for dog. Actually, this is just for playing around with the image and all so that you will create a good looking pin and directly you will post that pin on your Pinterest account, which I already integrated in front of you. That's how it will work, guys. Okay. Okay, so this is I'm going to add, okay, for example, and what you will do, you can just play around with this. You can resize according to you. Okay, and why I'm doing this, because I will post this on my Pinterest account, because my Pinterest account is not related to dog. Okay, I have different niche, but just for showing purpose, I'm just showing you all these things. Handwriting, I'm just going to select serif, and okay, no need to search all these things. Okay, you can just pick a font from here. Okay, and what is this? Actually you have to just play around with this. I'm not going much deeper with this. You can pick any line, brush, like brush and all, and you can just, I think, put like this or whatever. Okay, actually it will take too much time, guys. Filters, okay, this color is looking good, so that is how you will make some shapes and like this. Okay, for example, rectangle, circle is best, guys. Okay, circle, and all things are okay, I think, but okay, leave it. Pick a shape. I already picked, but we will do all these things later, guys. Stickers, okay, like this. For example, this sticker I'm putting here, opacity and all. You have to just select all this thing, color and all. Later, you will be able to directly put on your main image. Okay, see here, you have to actually too much deeper. Okay, that is why, see, which I selected before. This is sticker, okay? This is sticker. Okay, so guys, just like this, you have to play around with your pin. You can see you have to play around with your pin, and then you will create it. Okay, so from here you will see your boards. Okay, because I hope you know boards and pins. Okay, on Pinterest you will create board, and in that board generally pins you post. So out of this you need to select one. Okay, I'm selecting this Otis. Okay, this boards, and I'm just creating now this campaign. Okay, this is my account, guys. Campaign name URL cannot be empty. Okay, where it is? Where this campaign name is already have. Title is Doggy. Add a destination link, guys. Destination link means what? Here will be your offer link, your landing page link, your website link, whatever you want. Okay, your landing page link and anything. So I'm putting this one. Okay, just for example, guys. And okay, I'm just filling each and everything so that I will not get any problem later. So I just clicked on this. Image URL cannot be empty. Which image URL? Where it is? Upload. Okay. No file chosen. I think this is, let me see what is this. Okay, I'm just choosing this one. No, it should be done, guys. So I'm just going to create. Okay, successfully it's done, guys. Okay, what is the name actually? Oh, doggy, and I put Ferrari image. No worry, guys. This is for example, okay? Actually, what you have to understand, you need to go, the point is this is powerful traffic source, and you will get traffic on your directly on your offers, websites, page and all. This is my campaign name. You can see directly from here, and you can just make some edits and all. Campaign name, and this is my link. Okay, this is my outbound link. Okay, when someone will click on this, they will redirect to my landing page or my website. Okay, whatever message you can type, whatever, and that is how you can even post this, and you can even reschedule this. Okay, so this is my profile. Okay, this is completely for Pinterest. Okay, not too much deeper this is. Okay, this is my profile and all. So some upgrades are coming, some supported logo list. That's it. Okay, this is completely from for Pinterest. I already shown you, I already told you the power of Pinterest. Okay, now decision is your. Okay, this is my link, and this is already the power of Pinterest course, which I've already shown you. This is $997 course. And just because of compare of this, you should go with this Storm, because here you will get all the traffic on your page, websites, and all. Okay, I hope I told you each and everything. Okay, just guys, believe on the power of Pinterest. Okay, people are selling this type of courses and people are paying for this. Okay, people are paying for this. I can show you much different accounts which are getting millions of views per month. Okay, let me show you. Wait, let me show you. So just out of them million viewers, you can imagine how many sales they can get. Okay, we just can expect only. Main results are with them only. But let me show you. Okay, I will show you different niche, and okay, and I will tell you the monthly viewers. Okay, millions of monthly viewers, so that you will be able to see. Okay, it is taking too much problems, guys, nowadays. Before I shown you already. Okay, guys, leave it. Okay, just you can just search by yourself. So I'm coming on this, some my bonuses. This is Storm. I already put the work of this product on this page. These are some bonuses. This is for products so that you can run for any e-commerce landing page. Okay, you don't need Shopify store and any website for this. Okay, if you want, I will show you. This is finding hot profitable niche. This all bonuses are inside. This is these are some special bonuses. Two of bonuses are special, which is Hukum. Second one is Flip Me. You can do some profit flipping system also. Okay, so now I'm telling you how you can run, how you can go for physical products selling just by Storm. I'm going to show you. Okay, just wait. Mm. Let me show you guys. People, you are thinking I need Shopify account, Shopify store, and like this and that. No, you don't need to do that all things. I'm just going to show you how to do that. Okay, this is my website, and I'm showing you how to create landing page. Okay, it will take only 5 minutes, guys, but you will be clear with your work. Okay, because many people are coming, many people can come on this video from different niches, so it will be too much easy. Okay, this is page, guys. You have to just create page for free. I'm going to use this paid plugin, but you can go for Wix and you can create your free landing page. Okay, so for example, I'm creating one page just for e-commerce store. Okay, and for example, what I want to sell, for example, I want to sell a Ferrari car. Okay, just for example, in front of you. So I'm going to creating this page. Okay, and you will think in Shopify we can do this, we can do that. Okay, you just need one button for checkout for the people, not for you, for the visitors, audience. Checkout button and product information. That's it. Okay, so see this, guys, I'm just showing you how to do that. Okay, you have to just play around with this, guys. You have to just play around with this. Okay, I'm not going much deeper. On Wix, I'm again repeating, on Wix you can create free landing page. Okay, on Wix you can create free landing page. Okay, on Wix you can put some physical products related specification, physical product photos. You can add some, you can add single PayPal button and someone will check out and you will get paid. Okay, that's how you can run e-commerce store for free. You don't need to go for Shopify store. You don't need to pay something for that. Okay, how to do that, I'm just showing you in 5 minutes only. Okay, about this product, which is Storm and all, I already told you guys. Okay, I hope you got each and everything, the power of Pinterest and all. Why I'm showing you this e-commerce and physical product thing, because from Pinterest people are getting too much sales. For Pinterest people are selling $1,000 product. Okay, so just that is why people are getting results also. and you will also get result if you will follow these things all each and every step by step. Okay, so let me show you guys. If it will take too much time, I will bind up. Okay, but if you want to give this, if you want to take this knowledge, okay, I'm just creating a Shopify, not Shopify, a physical product landing page, single physical product landing page in front of you. Okay, and I will add button also, background section. Just give me 1 minute, guys, 1 minute only. Okay, you will know how to create a single product page, single physical product page for selling, online selling and all. Applied. Okay, so I'm just importing one image. For example, I'm selling Ferrari. Okay, I already told you. This is my Ferrari. I'm going to sell this one. Let it load, guys. I don't have any physical product right now here. This all are digital products. That is why. Okay, and we are taking example for physical store, for e-commerce. Okay, so this is my Ferrari car, and you have to just play around with this, guys. Okay, you are already watching how I'm doing. Okay, okay, I put this. Now I have to add some button, for example, not some button, single button only. Okay, you can see here, this is my button. I am just changing color. Okay, I'm just playing around with this, guys. Just keep watching properly with focus. Okay, otherwise you will lose any type of the focus. You will not get complete knowledge. Okay, guys, I'm just saving from here. Okay, this is Thrive Architect. You can do this from Wix. Okay, for free. I'm just, okay, this size is good. Okay, I'm just playing around to for good appearance, guys. Okay, buy now, simple. And what you will do, guys, now, okay, you can put some specifications here, okay, below the image. I'm not going much deeper with that. If someone is coming on this page, okay, and click on this button, I'm just going to show you how to create directly PayPal button. Okay, so if someone will do transaction from this button, someone will check out from this button, directly you will get amount in your PayPal account. Okay, so what you have to do, I'm just going to show you. Just give me 1 minute time, guys. Give me 1 minute. Okay, so it is my PayPal. You have to just create one PayPal account. Okay, this is my demo account. You have to not account, you have to just create. Yeah, okay, you can create PayPal account, and then you have to create your PayPal button. So how to create PayPal button? See here, come to the tool, not tool, activity summary and all. Setup. Give me time, guys, give me time. All tools, just create tools and all tools. Click on this. Okay, actually I'm searching for PayPal buttons. PayPal button. I did this much time ago. Request. Okay, guys, this is okay. So what you have to do, come to the tool, all tools, and now this is PayPal button. I just open it. Okay. From here, you will be able to create PayPal button directly, and you will, this is buy now button. Okay, this is, and you, what I was telling you, you will direct attach that button on your landing page. Okay, and someone will go to sign up, or if someone want to check out from that button, you will directly get paid. Okay, item name is Ferrari. Okay, item ID, no need. Price, USD. Where is USD, guys? This is price, 100,000. Okay, 700,000. Customize button, guys. Okay, just leave it, guys. Use my email address. Just we don't need all these things. Just come here and see. Take customer to this URL when they cancel their checkout. You don't need to click this. You have to click this one. See, take customer to this URL when they finish checkout. Okay, so URL, you have to create one thank you page and just like that. Okay, and you have to put that link here, okay, and later when you create button from this button, okay, actually I don't have right now any link, so that okay, I'm just, guys, I'm just for example doing this, okay. This is not a perfect example, but I'm doing this, okay. Oh, what is happening, guys? What is happening? Wait, guys, wait. Okay, guys, so I did this, okay, all these things. Now I'm clicking on this, you can see, okay, and when you click on this create button, you will get one link, okay. Some error is coming, I think, because I didn't put all this, yes, invalid things. Okay, no worry, guys. Okay, your button will look like this, see, okay, and when you create your button, you will get one link, and when you will get that link, you will come here, okay, this is button, and where you want to redirect your customer, okay, you will put that link here. So if someone will click on this, okay, they will redirect on this link and you will get paid, okay, if he purchase. So I'm just going to save this, guys. I don't know what name I put this for this Ferrari. Okay, so guys, I'm just showing you this page, for example. So I'm just logging out this one, guys. I know I took too much time. Okay, limit, actually this exceed limit, guys. Okay, no worry. No, I think we will create button. Fatal failure. Okay, guys, leave it because it will take too much time. No, I'm on in my website and I'm going for search my page Ferrari, so that I will show you how it will look like. This is, guys, this is my page. Okay, I'm clicking on this and oh, see, guys, that is how your page will look like. Okay, I'm just logging out from here and refreshing again this one. So this line will be removed. Okay, this line. Now, that is how your page will look like. If you put some link here, okay, customer will be able to buy from your page or from your e-commerce landing page. If you have any favorite product which you want to sell, just go for landing page, create this type of page, put this button, apply your PayPal button and all, because I did some mistakes. That is why I'm not able, but I shown you. Okay, go to the tool, go to all tool. You will see the PayPal button inside that. This is like this, and just create your button. Okay, guys, and that is how you will be able to do all these things. So, guys, I'm done from my side. Okay, let me show you my some bonuses. I already shown you, I think, bonuses. Okay, this is for Amazon product. Why I shown you this, all these things, physical product, landing page, PayPal button and all, because if you go for this like this, okay, like this physical product, so that you can create landing page and you can get some traffic from Pinterest and you will sell out this. Okay, now This is again finding profitable niche so that you can go for particular niche on Pinterest and you will start getting something results, free traffic, and these are some special bonus. Okay, you can go outside and you can know the worth of these two bonuses. Okay, so okay guys, I'm done from my side. Okay, we will meet later. I know this video is too much long and I hope you got my point. Okay, if I left something, I'm sorry about that. Try to understand each and everything. We will meet another time. Bye.